Hi everyone, my name is Teraya with Peace and Make. In this video, and I'm going to make another video, part 2, I am going to discuss patterns that are good for maternity wear. So as some of you may know, or if it's your first time, I recently had a baby, and while I was pregnant, I pulled a whole bunch of patterns that I could make. But I just made 2 of them because I did not have the energy. But also, if you don't have the energy while you're pregnant, if you have a pregnant friend, you can make something for them out of this selection, because I did not make that for myself. But these are things that I can still wear in my normal everyday life, because I didn't buy maybe like 1 or 2 of these patterns. Actually, just 1 of them are strictly maternity patterns, because I realized with patterns, it's really hard to find them that are labeled specifically for maternity wear. So I changed everyday clothes or everyday patterns and realized that I can make these into maternity wear because of the style lines of the pattern. So the first one I want to show you is the actual only one that I believe is like true maternity wear, even though it's not advertised as maternity, but it is this one, which is Berta 6124. So for this one, if you look at the back of the pattern, it has that high, what is this called? Like waistline up here that you can make even longer to fit over your belly. So it doesn't have a true waistline, which is very helpful for when you're pregnant so that it does not hurt your body. Another one that I have is, you can wear this like under your belly. It's stretchy. Also found that stretchy pants or pants with elastic work very well. In my normal everyday life, I don't care for elastic like that, but postpartum and even during pregnancy, I love it because your body just changes so much over time. This is Berta 6938. The next things I'm going to go over are some dresses that are in my stash that I can wear in my everyday, but these are also good for maternity wear. This one, New Look N6683. And if you look at the style lines, like there are no seams except for the side seams. That is perfect for a growing belly. So nice. Now that I'm no longer pregnant, I can wear this with a belt, and that would be like super cute. Here's another one. New Look 6298. It does have a seam in the back, but it's not like princess seams or a waist part. Like the main type of waist that works well for maternity is a empire waist that goes like right up under the bust. But also, if it has no seam except for the side seam, that works as well. This one is a Nomi pattern. It is R12118. This pattern also has shorts right here. You can, if you have a summer, if you're pregnant in the summer, you can just make that short sleeves or sleeveless, and there's more than enough room for you to, there's more than enough room for you to be able to have room for your growing belly and your changing body as well. It's a knit, so it will adjust to your body. This next one is an old McCall's pattern, a vintage, that's what it's called. Vintage 9308 McCall's, and it's like a peasant-style shirt. So the front of that shirt, it just lays down right over your belly, and you don't have to worry about it being too small for your growing belly. This next one is one of my favorites. I actually made it. I have a video on it. If you look back from one of my old videos, if I can remember, I'll link it. But this is Vogue V1821. So cute. You can make it with corduroy. Even if it's the summertime, like you can just take the sleeves off. But it's just like a big old, like, cute dress. I was gonna call it a sack, but sack doesn't sound cute. I can't think of a cute way to explain it, but it does remind me of a sack. But it's such a cute sack. The next one, this could work out earlier on in your pregnancy. You can actually, okay, I know how this works. So this is one, and it may not work with you the entire time of your pregnancy. It'll probably be the beginning before your belly pops out, your baby bump pops out. But the cool thing about this is that you can size up so that you can wear it for a long time. The reason why I say you probably can't wear in those later months is because it is woven, for one thing, and it's smaller up top and then it grades out like an A-line dress. So I wouldn't probably wear that at the end, which is fine. Like I said, if you have the energy, because there were some clothes that I wore at the beginning that I didn't wear at the end. And I just loved that because, I mean, I like to have options. Some dresses I knew I could wear the entire time, which would be more of like the knits that I showed. Like this one, you can wear it the entire time. The stuff without the style lines, this is a knit, you can wear that entire time. But this is the only one that you just need to wear it at one point, not the entire time. So yeah, those are the maternity patterns that I found. And my other goal with this is I had them sitting on my table and I want to organize them, put them back where they go. But I wanted to make this video for you all before I do that, so that I could just have it as a mental note. And also I wanted to be able to share it with other people, because I know that for me, it was very hard for me to realize, okay, when I'm shopping for maternity, where do I even start? Start with regular things. This even goes with like clothes that you buy at the store. You don't always have to look for maternity. Also, that makes the price go way up when it's maternity. Size up a size or two. And consider where you may be at the end of your pregnancy. I know that's hard to do, but sizing up one or two sizes will probably help out the most. 2 sizes for the end will help a ton. But yeah, hopefully this advice helps. If you want me to talk more about maternity styling, I can definitely do that, because I have so many thoughts on it. Ask me some specific questions at the bottom, or if you just want me in general to like talk about it, I can find a way to discuss that with you all. Please press the like button, subscribe to my channel, go to my website, peasantmake.com, for more fun content. Also, Instagram is at peasantmake.com. I will chat with you all later, and I'm going to also post part 2 pretty soon. Bye.